Well, I'm at Way Out Salvage here in Kingston, Arkansas, and you guessed it, it's way out, but come on, worth it. In 2010, I was a stay-at-home dad in need of a creative outlet. Today, I'm YouTube's Volkswagen Bus guy and Arkansas's YouTuber. Busvlogger. Life. Hands-on. Go to wayoutsalvage.com to find out more. They've got engines and chassis and parts and pieces and projects and vehicles you can drive home. It's all here. Derek even told me that for the right price, he might even sell the whole business. How amazing would that be? Big thank you to busjunkies.com for sponsoring this video. Go check them out for all things air-cooled lifestyle. Life is what you make it. Let's get our hands dirty. Busvlogger on Assignment is a new series sponsored by busjunkies.com. Busjunkies.com is home base for all of us living the air-cooled lifestyle. Go visit busjunkies.com and tell them Busvlogger sent you.